Hi, this is Grant, and welcome to Patrick Cadillac here in Schaumburg, Illinois. Today I'm going to go over and show you how to pair up your cell phone to the Cadillac products. We'll show you a Cadillac Escalade, Cadillac DTS, the new Cadillac SRX, and the Cadillac CTS, showing you how well the connectivity through Bluetooth works in our new cars.
Yep.
All right, we're in a 2011 Cadillac CTS with the premium package, and the premium package of course has the navigation system in it. And we're going to pair up this Bluetooth phone, which is a Samsung, using the Verizon service. First thing we'll do is go ahead and raise our navigation screen, and at this point here all of the pairing operations are going to be done through the switch on the far right on the steering wheel, and the one right down here that's used for disconnecting and declining incoming calls. So by pressing this, hands-free.
Hands-free. Ready?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth ready.
Pair.
Pair. Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
And I'm going to open up my phone, and
once the search is complete, select your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 6727. Again, the code is 6727.
and 6727 is conveniently displayed up here on the center cluster in case you forget what the announcement was. And that's the number we're going to plug into the cell phone so that it can properly be paired up to the vehicle. So I'm going to open up my toolbox here, and I'm going to come down to Bluetooth menu and add new device. And we're in the discoverable mode, and right now the phone's going to search for the car, and the car is looking for something to connect with. This will take a couple seconds here. And now your vehicle has popped up on the on my screen on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and select that.
Unable to pair.
Don't worry about that.
To try again, select your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 6727. Again, the code is 6727. Please say the name tag you want associated with this phone.
My CTS phone.
About to store.
My CTS phone.
Does that sound okay? Please say yes or no.
Yes. My CTS phone.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the Bluetooth settings menu. Bluetooth ready.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, so now the cell phone has been paired up with the vehicle, and it's ready for operation. So you might have the radio in your car turned on, and you want to make an outgoing call. So we're going to use the right hand button here and select this. Hands-free.
Hands-free. Ready?
Dial.
Dial. Using
My CTS phone.
Please say the name or number to call.
1-847-605-4000.
Okay, calling 1-847.
And the display is up on the cluster here of the phone number that we just called. Make sure that it's right. And notice that it muted the radio automatically. We didn't have to worry about turning it down. Now we hear the phone ringing.
Thank you for calling Patrick Cadillac Mobile and Tom.
So the opening command when you're going to pair up your phone is hands-free. Any of the vehicles that have navigation, the SRX or the CTSs, the command has to be hands-free, and that's telling the car that you're going to be using the Bluetooth features of your phone, and that opens the communication link to talk to your telephone. After that, you just have commands such as dial when you know the phone number that you want to dial, or call if you already have a phone number that's programmed into the car's own directory, and then you would just call Bob, call Patrick Cadillac, call home. Otherwise you say dial, and then you'd need to know the phone number that you want to dial. And it's pretty simple. It works great.